Ready?
Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Are you a good girl? Are you mommy's girl? Hi. Yes, I love you. Oh, yes, you are sweet. Yeah? Really? Uh-huh. That is very nice. I like that story. Hi. Hi, baby, baby. Hi. Hi. Is that Daddy up there? Yeah. Is that Daddy up there? Yeah. Love you. I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, really? Mm. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, really? What else do you have to tell me? Oh, yeah?
Oh my.
That is wonderful. Well, you want to say hi to Daddy?
Hi, baby. Chloe. Chloe.
Where's Daddy?
Chloe. She's got mommy lock on.
Yeah, she does have mommy lock on.
Turn her head towards me a little bit.
You want to see Daddy? Look at who that is. Daddy.
Hey.
Yep.
Hey. Chloe.
Yep.
Chloe. Hi. Oh, Chloe. Chloe.
She's confused.
Hi. Oh, no, mommy.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go this side here.
You are one sweet girl. Yes, you are.
Chloe. Hi. Hi.
Hi. You sweet girl. Yes, you're very sweet. Ooh, you're very strong too. Very strong. Maybe I'll put her over my shoulder so you can get a good look at.
Hi, Chloe. Hi. Oh, yes, hi. Yeah, hi. Oh, you're so cute. Thank you. Yes, you're giving a good show today, right? Hi. Hi, are you getting burped? You getting burped? Are you getting burped? Are you getting burped? Are you getting burped? Are you getting burped? Yeah. Hi. 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 Hi.
She's very intrigued by the camera.
I know. You are busy over there, aren't you? You're busy. Are you gonna talk to me? Are you gonna talk to me? You wanna talk to me about some stuff? Oh yes, I love it. Are you happy? You a happy girl? Okay, say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.